Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your front camera on an iPhone 5S. If you want to know how to take the screen off, I have another video in my description below. So first you'll need a screwdriver, some sort of prying tool, and something to hold and move the camera away. So, as you can see here, you have one screws that you want to remove first. Go ahead and remove those, and remember to keep yourself organized because the screws are all different sizes. Next, you pry it up. It's going to have this metal bracket here. Just careful with it and take it off. Oops. And this is your speaker. And careful because it is magnetized. You want to pry it up on the cable slowly because there's adhesive on there, and it should come right off. Like that, just a tape that covers the camera. Just like that. Next, of course, you're going to want to do the same step on the other one. Comes with this little plastic bracket here and these two little holes for the speaker and your proximity sensors. So you're going to want to take your camera, see where everything's located at. Make sure that this little knob here goes right here. Whatever is easier for you. You can do it with your finger, you can do it with your finger or the tools that you have at your disposal. And then you take your camera, place it inside the plastic, and make sure that your holes line up like that. You're going to take your speaker, line it up, and you see this little piece right here. This one, that's supposed to go right there. Right here. Go ahead and line it up. Make sure that these connectors right here connect and line up with these right there. And you're gonna know that you put it in right if you see the little white prongs sticking out of the speaker. Alright, next and final step is to put the metal bracket back on. Final step is to put your screws back in. Remember, you only have two. That's it.